Greetings, universe! Welcome in, everyone! Thank you for joining! So, what are we doing today? Today, we are continuing the drawing that we have started a little while ago. We are turning Icy into a fairy. From a witch to a fairy. Let's go! Yes, there we go. There we go. So currently I have her wings right here. And my mood board. Let me show you a little bit more of the mood board that I have here right here on the side, which helps me with the design and the color choices and whatnot. Yes. There we go. There we go. Yes. Maybe I can zoom out a little bit so you will see a little bit more of the mood board. Right. And these are the wings that I'm working on right now. So, see, this is the color I choose so far for the wings. And we will touch up some of the color here. I am currently using a ruler, so the effects are showing up on both sides of the wings, so they will be completely symmetrical, at least for now. Maybe at some point we'll want to break symmetry a little bit to give some interest to the drawing. Maybe. So far, this is what we do. There we go. I'm gonna give some color right here as well. So, if you can notice on the left, you see the wings for the other fairies. They kind of show off the power of the fairy. So this is what I'm also trying to do here. Since Icy has the power of ice, and sometimes she makes snow, I want her wings to reflect that. Other than that, they have very sporty outfits, I think. So I tried to give Icy a kind of sporty looking outfit. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. いくよ. Okay, I think this layer is looking good. Now we will use a clipping mask on top. First off, let's try to make it into a clipping mask. I am very new to Clip Studio, so not sure I'm doing everything right. Let me show you our Lady Icy. There we go. Here she is. Looking all nice and lovely. Yeah. So currently I did not put the wings in the right place. This is on purpose because I want them to be exactly symmetrical. When I'm done with the wings, then I will rotate them to fit her back properly. That's all fine. This is what we're gonna deal with. I'm just gonna paint the inner part of her top. It's asymmetrical. I think it looks nice. Like I saw that some of them have asymmetrical designs mostly, except for Techna. Maybe because, I mean, even Techna is a little bit asymmetrical with her hairstyle. So I wanted to add some asymmetry for Icy as well. I'm supposed to look a little bit sporty. Yeah. That looks nice. But we'll go back to the wings though. Whoops. There we go. Yeah. Looking good, looking good. Lovely wings we have here. Yeah. What do you guys think about the wings? Let's make them more icy. So, I added some effects. Think this can look fun. Fun and sparkly. Maybe our brush size, maybe we can go with a little bit of a larger brush size. As you can see, the wings of the fairies, and they're not quite flat colored. Some of them have some texture. So this is the texture that I'm going for. Right here. I don't know. Let's try. Ooh, let's try to go with some a little bit larger ones, just for variance. Yeah. Oh wait, this is no longer symmetrical, is it? Oh, never mind. It is just a little bit different. Okay, and now we want to add some ice. Some snowflakes. That's cool. Literally. I don't remember what was the size for these. Looks like medium. What does it do? Doesn't do much, does it? Let's do go strong. Okay, this is becoming a little bit messy. I would tone down the effects here. And probably create another layer. Now, I will push the contents of this layer downwards. Ooh, nice. Nice ice. Now let's go with a larger brush size. That's not larger. Let's see. It stays the same. Okay. Gonna look for this one. Ooh, pretty. Let's make it a little bit smaller. See if it does something. Pretty. Looks very messy though. But I think I like how messy it is. I think I like how messy this is. Makes it look somewhat frosty. Somewhat frosty like that. Okay. I think I like this. It's like windows into a magical winter wonderland. I think it looks cool. Now we can go to coloring the icicles. Let's color the icicles. Now I'm not quite sure about the color of this, but I think I like it in white. I'm not sure it should be white. Maybe it should be silver. I don't see any metal color on the references I have on the site. But maybe it's okay. Yeah, let's choose gray then. Gray will be good. I'll try to make it look maybe more like plastic. Okay, I need another layer for color. Color 5. I will turn off the wings for now. I think I like it in white though. I like it in white. So maybe it will be partially white. Except for some parts. Maybe like so. Yeah. I think this looks alright. I think so. Okay. Guess let's touch up this area right here. Ah no, it's also part of the outfit, so I'll keep it that way. Makes sense to have it gray as well because it's part of the same line. So I will carry on with that color. What? Looks nice. Okay, we carry on with the gray color, which we will need to try to turn into metal looking, so it will look like silver. We'll try to make it look like silver when we add the lighting. Making sure that the color looks nice and clean everywhere. wonder what happened here. Nothing. Okay, now this part. It's the inner one, so it should be in the darker color as well. Here we go. Now for the lighter color. Oh wait, we're not done yet. This looks a little bit unfinished. There we go. That's not the right color. Is it? Oh, it is. There we go. That's better. I think this is good now. Maybe if you're sportsy, you're not really supposed to wear this type of necklace or any necklace really. But she wears a choker on her base design, the original one. And I kind of want to honor some stuff from there. There we go. Okay, let's take the dark color and also paint the shoes with it. I like her wings a lot. I feel like the wings are the centerpiece for this design. I like that. So extra. Maybe let's try to paint this first. See if it helps. It does. use it also for the inner parts of the pullets. Goodbye, Starly. You won't let me see the design, so bye-bye, Starly. Bye-bye. Yeah, she looks cool. Literally. Hello, Tank. Welcome in. How are you? Yes, I'm doing art. I'm just really busy and I just need to rest a little bit. I need to do stuff that are not quite as productive as usual. So yeah. Ooh, good morning, Tank. I hope your day will be lovely. Very lovely. Yeah, it turns out that in the past few weeks, the streams are kind of my way to take breaks. Which is not really like the schedule I was planning for my streams, but yeah, sometimes things happen. And yes, you definitely need to take good care of yourself. I hope you are also taking good care of yourself. Indeed. And even programs such as myself need help. Hello, Quan. Welcome in. Thank you for joining. Check out the wings. I really like the wings. Look at her wings. So icy and cool. They look like window to a wonderland, to a winter wonderland. I love this. Still doing some flat coloring though. Yes! So cool, literally. Cool and cold, yes. Yeah. So this is the shoe lining for now. Maybe I will make her shoes a little bit more interesting in the future. For now, No, that's what I'm gonna leave her with. Well, I do want to give the gem some nice color. Let's give the gem a nice color. Hopefully it doesn't clash much. I think it can kind of work. And let's do the same for the shoes. Yeah, it's a nice accent color, I feel like. It's a nice accent color. I think it works. Maybe we can even use it for her wings in one way or another. We'll see. I want to continue painting her wings. She was so cool. Oh, wait. When the wings will be final, maybe. Oh, wait. Actually, I can group them all together, right? Into the same layer. Yes, I can. Let's group all of those. How do we group them? It's a layer folder. Let's put it all inside. Yep, this is it. Now, if I'm rotating the folder, I'm guessing it will also rotate the ruler. Maybe. Yes. It rotates the ruler as well. Nice. Awesome. It does. Wait, no. Need to think what would be the right angle for the wings. I think this is the right angle for the wings. There we go. I think so. Maybe only need to move it a little bit. Like so? Yeah. There we go. Okay, let's use this layer for the color of the white. Should be a little bit of a pale white, so it'll be possible to distinguish it from the background. And also to add highlights to it. Not white enough. There we go. This should be Good. There. Maybe this is the layer that should have sparkles. I see that some is sparkly and some is not. We'll consider which one sparkles. Ah, I need to be right back. Sorry. Ah, thank you for waiting. Here we go. We're back. We're back. I think I like her color palette so far. I think I do. What do you think about her? About the way she looks? I think the touch of purple was very much needed. good touch. What if we paint the silver parts into this color? I wonder what would that look like. Maybe let's try. Hey. Hello, Kira. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Hi, hi. Welcome in, welcome in. I am currently trying to turn Icy into a fairy. And I'm wondering whether... Well, I wanted to use silver coloring in effects. But now I was wondering if maybe purple would be a nice accent color here. But I think I prefer the silver. It looks like gray at the moment. Maybe instead of white? Maybe instead of white. I don't remember which layer it is. Which layer was it? That's the one, I think. Let's try. Nah, doesn't look right. Okay, this is better. We'll keep it this way, it's fine. Astrid Kia, what do you think about her design so far? Okay. We should definitely go into painting the wings now. Yay! I'm happy. Thank you for liking this so far. Thank you so much. Thank you. She is supposed to look nice and cute and not evil at all. Who, me? Evil? No, not at all. That's what she sounds like. I'm kidding. Oh, no. On the left is the references I'm using to decide on her design. On the left, you see the actual teaser artwork for the Winx reboot. There was a teaser released for the reboot, and this is part of it. No worries at all, no worries at all. I'm just using it as like some kind of a way to understand how to design her. So as you can see, they all have very sporty outfits. And their wings define their power as well. Like you can kind of assume what is their power set based on their wings. As you can see, Stella, for example, she has the sun on her wings. And Tekna has these wiry wings, kind of look kind of techy for lack of a better word. And for Bloom, it's like she has this blue ice as part of her wings. So that's why I am giving Icy those ice wings that you see here, that we're working on right now. This is kind of my way to go about it. Yeah. I think they look so nice. I love them. I love them. Let's touch up the color. Because around the edges, it's not acting up quite right. Also, I need to decide which parts of her outfit are going to be glittery. I mean, it would be nice to have everything covered in glitter. But as you can see on the left, some of the parts of the outfits, it's not glittery. There we go. Still doing some flat colors before going into the shadows and the highlights. And then I'm relieved that the ruler that I used also was able to rotate together with everything else. think I will use 3 colors for the icicles of the wings to give it more variety, I think. Yeah. Now let's also use the pale color. Wait, there it is. That's the pale color. We'll use it in another layer. Right here. Now I want this one to be of a dark color. Looks really similar, doesn't it? It's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Looks very pale. It's okay. Here we go. Let's also color these two that are close to one another. Another color will be darker for some nice contrast. Let's have another layer then for the darker color. Much darker. Hope these do look like icicles right now. And not quite like crystals. Oh wait, why was it not replicating to the other side? That's not fun. I did not have a ruler this whole time. I did not notice the lack of ruler. Now we should be okay. I wonder which color should I choose. I do want it to be deep, but maybe not that deep. Or maybe yes. Well, I can also choose later. I think it will be fun to have her back. There we go. Hello, Icy. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in, welcome in. I am currently turning witches into fairies. Check it out, check it out. Ah, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. I am a pixel artist, so I have created my own model. Thank you. In fact, the overlay, I mean, you don't see the overlay right now, but I have also created my own overlay here. I'm happy you like it. Ah, thank you. I have drawn my own model and I rigged it as well. But I also have some thoughts about maybe trying to create a 3D model instead of going 2D. It will take some time though. I mean, I don't know, these are just thoughts that I had. But I'm so happy you guys like my model. Thank you so much. Let me show you around. Hello! Yeah, just because you said that you liked my model. So here it is. That's me. What you see behind me is Jupiter, I think. I'm not sure where exactly I am currently located, but most likely next to Jupiter somewhere. And this is Starly. This is Starly. Say hello to Starly. He is my satellite friend. Whenever someone either subscribes or follows, then Starly helps me with the notifications. And also, Starly says hello. And maybe one more thing to note is that you can also play tic-tac-toe on his face. If you would like. I will send out the instructions for that. I'm so happy you guys think he's cute. I also think he's cute. Yeah. So you guys can see now the instructions on screen. Do EXO start in order to join the game. It's for 2. Yeah. Exactly. Nice. Someone will also need to join the game. Yes, let's go. As you can see, Starly's face has changed. And this is also something that I have created by myself. Basically, I use Python. I have like a Python server running on my computer on Starly. So in order to make a move, you need to do EXO and the number starting from 0 to 8. So to choose the middle, you will need number 4. Because it starts from 0. Exactly. Yeah, and also there's like a timer, so. Yes! Exactly. There's like a timer, so. If you will. If you will quit the game and not finish it, then Starly will be stuck like this forever. So please finish your game. Okay, I'm gonna keep Starly around so you guys can continue the game. And maybe it's worth mentioning that usually I am making games on my streams, but currently I am in a very busy stage in my life, so I'm using streaming as some kind of a break, some kind of you know, I'm trying to calm down and relax, some kind of a form of relaxation for me. Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. Yes, it's a tie, but you still need to finish the whole board. Good job, guys! Good job, guys! Thank you so much! Thank you so much! I'm so happy you guys like it. These are my socials command. So if you guys would like to follow me elsewhere, then that's what it does. Yeah. It's the more common command, unlike the other one. I suppose. But I'm happy you guys enjoyed Starly's company. Starly has also enjoyed being of service to you guys. Oh, yeah, no problem, Astrid. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And of course, thank you for the follow. No problem. Thank you for stopping by. Ba-ba-bum. I wonder if I should do everything in grayscale in order to do the shading. Or maybe I should skip it. I don't know. Maybe at first I will try to grayscale everything. Well, eh. Oh no. I was drawing on the incorrect layer. Good thing I caught it on time. let's take this color and remove the layer, unfortunately. Completely. Because we need the ruler. Maybe we will use an even more pale color. Or a darker one. Maybe slightly darker one actually. This is pale enough. Yeah, this is a light. I do feel like we do need a white color for these icicles. So we will have 4 colors. Ah, so I stream on Saturdays and on Sundays. This is usually when I have my free time. And I'm starting at 5 p.m. Central European Time. And usually my stream lasts for 2 hours. Usually I stream game development stuff. And maybe a little bit of games sometimes. However, at this point in time, it's a bit harder for me to be on the productive side because I am already busy with a lot of stuff. Oh yeah. You can check out my GMTK submission on my Edge page. Let me give you a link. If you have a mouse right now, if you're like using your PC right now, then you can totally check out my submission. If you're like around a computer right now and have a mouse, you really need a mouse for it. Oh, and also please turn on the volume because we have customized music for the game jam submission. So please check it out and let me know what do you think. Please share your honest feedback. And one more thing that I have to say is that the third and the fourth level are much cooler than the first and the second one. The first and the second one are just there for you to be familiar and get comfortable with the controllers. Yeah. Please let me know what do you think. It's about 5 minutes of gameplay, so it's not long. It's sweet, short, to the point. I see that we need to touch up the other side as well. Do you do some game development, I wonder, Green? Yes, you can shrink and you can go bigger. Go big and go home. Hey. Yeah. You can use the scrolling button in order to zoom in and zoom out from the inner disco ball into the outer disco ball, etc. Oh, you're a pixel artist. So am I, so am I. I mean, I'm not just a pixel artist, but my main thing is pixel art. Right now, what you see is not really usually what I'm doing. It's just, I don't know, I was curious about Clip Studio, so this is my way to learn Clip Studio Paint. On my Twitter, you can check out some of the pixel art stuff that I have done, if you would like to check that out. What kind of pixel art do you do? Do you do, like, what kind of resolution do you do? That's more what I'm asking. I mean, obviously you can see based on my model and based on Styly that I am indeed more of a pixel artist more than anything else, really. Oh, what What do you think? Please share your feedback. Even if it's bad, don't worry about it. We like constructive criticism here. Yes, the music is so good. The person who made the music is called Hiyoko. He is really awesome. He does really awesome music. He's a great composer, I think. Actually, he also created my BGM. Like, if you will check out my loading screen music, then he also worked on that. If you'd like to know. Okay. Yeah. The whole concept of the mechanic is to do the level 3 and 4, but like in a much more broader way, and like introduce more complicated concepts, but we just didn't have time. I have so many ideas for more levels with this type of mechanic, but we just preferred to focus on polishing the game to make it look really finished. So our time was better spent on that rather than on adding more levels. Even though I definitely have more ideas, but you know, during a game jam you really need to have your priorities and stuff. So yeah. Also, I wish it was profitable to do puzzle games. Then maybe we would consider turning this into a full game with all of the ideas I have for levels. But you know, puzzle games rarely turn on the investment. Their return on investment is relatively low, if at all. So yeah. Green says, what was your question about pixel art? The game music was pretty loud, couldn't hear it. Oh, I was wondering, like, what type of pixel art were you making? Like, what is the resolution that you were making? Because my pixel art, I'm just sharing, is relatively high resolution. If you would like to check out my stuff, I have it on Twitter mostly. Maybe I can find you something to share. Yeah. Here's an example for a post that I did on Twitter. Like, this is my type of pixel art. And also my model and Starly. Of course. I'm gonna look for my pixel art stuff that I did. Ah, here's more pixel art. Yeah. Let me show you. The second one is a sprite for the game I am making at the moment. Very cute bunny. Green says, oh, I do pretty low resolution. I usually don't go past 50, 150, 64 most of the time. Oh, 64 is not that low. But I get it. Like, for example, the bunny that you see here. He's, if I remember correct, he's 32 and 32. Yeah. The ice wings look nice. Yes, space food! Space ramen. I really like space, and I really like the way ramen looks because it looks so different. Like, how do I explain it? Ramen has so many different textures and different colors. So it's really cool in my opinion, ramen. Ramen is a cool type of food. Ah, thank you, yes. The bunny is part of the game I'm making. Cute bunny. Yes, please do. Please join Discord and share there. We have a dedicated art channel over there. And I would love to check your stuff. Please share. I really like Ace Braids. I really do. It's great, isn't it? Okay, it's going to be kind of hard to color this one. There we go. Green says, I like how Ace Braid is so small, around 50 megabytes. Wait, and the developer allow removing the Steam. Yes, I can bring it to my flash drive. I've been using the Steam version. Oh, yes, this is awesome. What I like to do with Ace Braid, this is a little bit hacky. Yeah, what I like about Ace Braid is the fact that really you can do whatever you want with it. I also have the Steam version, but I don't really use a flash drive for it. I just have a laptop that has a screen where you can write on top and use a pen on top of it, a stylus, if you will. And then I can actually use Ace Braid with the stylus, so that's fun. That's my trick. it's a fun little trick. Green says same, but it's neat to have it used anyway without Steam. Yes, I agree. I am familiar with the concept, but I never played it, unfortunately. I don't really have time to play games, even though I really should. Because you can't really be a good game designer without being also a player by yourself. At least that's what I believe in. But I'm familiar with it. Why? Did you create some fan art for it? I'd love to check it out. I would love to. Oh, okay, cool. Yes, I would love to check it out after the stream. I mean, you can feel free to share more of your stuff on Discord, and I will definitely check those out. Okay, I think we're done with the base colors for the wings. I really like how the wings look like a window to a wonderland. Green, yes, I do use Godot. I mean, I'm coming from Unity, but then they made their awkward whoopsie like a year ago. Oh wow, it's been a year since they did their whoopsie. And then I decided, okay, I will try out Godot, and I like it so far. So I do recommend it. I mean, it depends. If you're doing 2D, then definitely recommend it. But if you're doing 3D, then I have some really awkward situations with the game that you have played right now. Oh, I'm so happy that you like the ice shards. Yes, exactly. They're giving a good fight for Unity, for sure. Thanks, as they just announced finally rolling back the install fee, though. I feel it's a little too late, trust is lost. I mean, yes, I've heard about that as well, and I'm really happy about that. I think they're trying their best, and I do think they have learned their lesson. I hope they did. I hope they have learned their lesson, and if people are going back to Unity, if that's where they feel comfortable, then I think it's totally cool. And I think people should thank Godot for existing, even if they are using Unity, and even if they will go back to Unity, because there's no way that they would have gone back on this decision without the existence of Godot and without the popularity of Godot. So I believe this is a very healthy competition to have. Therefore, I think Godot is good regardless, even if you are a Godot user or a Unity user. Ting says, I do too. I like good tools for all the people. Yes. And Blender is an amazing example for that. And Blender is an open source 3D software, which is actually part of the industry at the moment. It's like an industry standard. It's incredible. Okay. I do believe we have finished coloring the flat colors. I think. Just need to maybe remove the hairline art, which is in the way. Let's take care of that one. Where is the hairline art? Where it is. Let's remove the axis line. Tink says Godot Twitter was super classy about it. We're glad for Unity we finally changed. We hope you all stay on Godot because they have found our features compelling now that they have tried it. Yes, I appreciate that. We have enough negativity and salt in this world. So I'm really happy that they were able to take it this nice and maturely. I agree with that statement. I do. There we go. I think we're done with the flat colors. Ta-da! And I really do think this is a healthy amount of competition to keep Unity in check. So they won't do silly stuff anymore. Because before that, they were really the only player in the 2D mobile market. Now Godot 4 is like a really good competition for them. So there's that. Look at her. Look how awesome she is. Yeah. I see. Very wise. I mean, now it's shading time. But we will probably do the shading tomorrow. For now, I think we're done. I really like how the wings turned out. Do you think the wings turned out fine? I mean, I hope so. The lines are not very consistent, I see, but I don't think it really ruins the piece. I think it looks alright. I hope the wings no longer look like crystals, but like actual icicles. I hope so. What do you think? Let's have some fun with the background for now. Whee! Colorful snowflakes. Thank you, Green. Thank you. Oh, I see you followed my YouTube stream. Welcome to the YouTube stream. Found some ice patterns. I'm gonna use them for fun. Let's use... even though I changed the brush size, it didn't really affect it. What this does? Oh, this is a smaller one. Okay, I don't want this to be too much. Ooh, fun. Need to choose a better color for that. Maybe a darker one. We're just creating a small, cute background for her. Not because we're done on it or anything, just because it's a little bit of fun. Just a little bit of fun. Yeah. Green says, to be honest, I'm having a hard time adjusting from a mouse to a drawing tab in Pixarlet. Oh, I am not used to a drawing tablet at all. Drawing tablets are so hard for me. So hard for me. I just, no matter how much I practice them, at least in terms of doing lines, it's just really hard. I used to be a little bit better at that, like a long time ago, but then I took a break, and now look, I'm trying to make straight lines and it's just so hard. Okay, a better practice is to draw circles. You see, they're so bad. They're so bad. I just barely have control over my lines. Really. Yeah. So usually what I do if I need to do line art, I just move to my laptop that has a responsive screen which I can draw directly on. Yeah, that's what I do for line art. And then I bring this back to my other computer. It's really hard. Also, I'm usually doing pixel art with a mouse most of the time. It's relaxing. Okay, I believe we're done for today. Tomorrow we will actually do the shading. Yes, the mouse is much easier to control. I agree. Alright, guys. Thank you for joining me today. Tomorrow we will continue this piece. We will do some shading. We will add some shadows. We will add some highlights. And it will be fun. So I really hope to see you guys tomorrow. And if you have any last questions, please let me know and I will answer them right now. So on Wednesdays we have our podcast Function of Fun, where we discuss game development and game design. And tomorrow I will be back at 5 p.m. Central European Time. Yeah. Right. So that is all for today. Thank you a tons for joining me today. I hope you guys had fun. I definitely had fun. Yeah. So see you guys tomorrow. And have a lovely rest of your time zone.